सर्च करें अवामी न्यूज़। मुल्क भर की ताज़ा तरीन खबरों से बाखबर रहने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे चैनल को और बेल आइकन ज़रूर दबाएं। अलग अकीदे रखने वालों को जय श्री राम कहने के लिए मजबूर क्यों किया जा रहा है? अर्पणा सेन। बंगाली और हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की मारूफ हस्ती अर्पणा सेन ने मुल्क में हो रहे मॉब लिंचिंग के वाक़यात पर सवाल खड़े किए हैं। उन्होंने मीडिया से बातचीत के दौरान कहा कि आखिर अलग अकीदे रखने वाले लोगों को जय श्री राम कहने के लिए मजबूर क्यों किया जा रहा है? पूरे मुल्क में लोगों की मॉब लिंचिंग हो रही है जो दुरुस्त नहीं है।
And he in fact called up and said, Reenadi, why is not my name there? I said, you can't ask me alone, you have to ask all 49 signatories. So Debojyoti is very much with us too. Now I have been constantly asked, and let me make it very clear, whether this, and let me first introduce you. This is Rupsha. Rupsha, just tell them about yourself a little.
I am the director of...
Have lots of people, environmentalists, sociologists like Ashish Nundi, like Partho Chatterjee, who teaches at Columbia. We have many people, many concerned people, and you have to understand that these are very serious, many of them senior citizens who are concerned, as we have written, concerned with Can you please put off your phones?
Can you please check your phones?
Can you
for a
please
minute?
check your phones and put them off? Otherwise, this is going to be a mess. Okay, so as I said, as I was saying, if you will see from the number of signatories, the 49 signatories who are there, that there are many very senior people, many young people, all of them deeply concerned, as we have written at the end of our letter, deeply concerned about the fate of, anxious about the fate of our country, concerned about the state in which our country is at the moment, because every single day we just open the papers and we feel depressed. We switch on the television and we're depressed, because everywhere all over India people are being lynched. They are either being lynched because they are accused of eating beef, or accused of trading cows. It sometimes is that they're simply taking the cows from one place to another, nothing else. But they're lynched because of that. If supposing they are